right, hi there. I decided to do Quizlet for my study section of this badge, just because normally if I'm ever needing to study for something, Quizlet is definitely what I go for. What I did was just did a few flashcards that had either events, important people, important legislation that I thought would be important for my lesson. So as you can see, like Martin Luther King Jr., leader of the 1960s civil rights movement. We've got other things like the ruling of 1896 Supreme Court case Plessy versus Ferguson that stated racial segregation was constitutional as long as the facilities were equal in quality. So if I, all right, so if I click back, this is the beginning of this is the front of the card. So if we just keep on that track, yeah, the abolitionist who had an unsuccessful raid on Harper's Ferry, John Brown, and then again, like the front, 13th Amendment, 1865, abolishes and prohibits slavery. And then again, this one, Rodney King, beaten by police in 1991. Again, I just wanted my students to kind of have a look at some things I thought would be really important for this lesson. It kind of goes all the way up through the civil rights movement. I think that stuff is still extremely important to our history today. I even added George Floyd in there just so we could see the comparison between 1991 and then 2020 with the same things going on with the protests, the riots, etc. So yeah, that's my study tool.